Hi students, welcome to all. In previous class we are discussed some examples based on distance formula, section formula and area of a triangle. Today we are going to discuss some more examples based on these three parts: distance formula, area of a triangle and section formula. Consider one example, that is, you have studied in class ninth that a median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. Then they told, verify this result for triangle ABC whose vertices are A of 4 comma minus 6, B of 3 comma minus 2 and C of 5 comma 2. Here they are given a triangle, that is, now here ABC is a triangle. They are given coordinates of the point A is 4 comma minus 6. Then they are given coordinates of the point B is 3 comma minus 2. Then they are given coordinates of the point C is 5 comma 2. But here they told, you have studied in class ninth that a median of a triangle divides into two triangles. Then next, here we have to draw the median of the triangle, means here we have to draw the perpendicular. AD is perpendicular to BC. Now here AD is a median of this triangle. Then a median of a triangle divides it into two triangles. Now here this AD side is divides the triangle ABC into two triangles, that is ADB and triangle ADC. Now two triangles of equal areas. Now here this median of a triangle is divides a triangle into two triangles of equal areas. That means here area of triangle ADB is equal to area of triangle ADC. Then verify this result for triangle ABC whose vertices are. Here they are given the vertices of the triangle. Then here we have to verify that triangle area of triangle ADB is equal to area of triangle ADC. To find the area of triangle ADB and triangle area of triangle ADC, here we don't know the coordinates of the point D. First we have to find the coordinates of the point D. Afterwards we have to calculate the area of triangle ADB and area of triangle ADC. Now here how you are finding the area coordinates of the point D. Here point D is the midpoint of side BC. Here AD is perpendicular to BC. That means here D is the midpoint of this BC side. Then by using midpoint formula we have to find the coordinates of the point D. Here we know that midpoint formula, that is, now here if D is midpoint of BC, then by using midpoint formula D of x comma y is equal to x1 plus x2 dividing by 2, then y1 plus y2 dividing by 2. Then next here this one is x1 y1, these are the x2 y2 values. Then it becomes D of x comma y is equal to the value of x1 is 3 plus the value of x2 is 5. 3 plus 5 dividing by 2 comma the value of y1 is minus 2 plus the value of y2 is 2 dividing by 2. Then next 3 plus 5 is 8 dividing by 2, comma minus 2 plus 2 cancel, then remaining is 0 dividing by 2. Then next 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. Then next the coordinates of the point D is 4 comma 0 by 2 is 0, 4 comma 0. Now here we know that coordinates of the point D is 4 comma 0. Then by using the area of a triangle, by using the formula of area of a triangle, we have to find the area of triangle ADB and area of triangle ADC. Now here we have to find that area of triangle area of triangle ADB. First here we have to find the area of triangle ADB. Now here A coordinates are 4 comma minus 6, D coordinates are 4 comma 0, and B coordinates are 3 comma minus 2. Then write the formula of area of a triangle, that is now here area of a triangle is equal to half into bracket x1 into bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 into bracket y3 minus y1 plus x3 into bracket y1 minus y2. Now here we have to put the values of x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3 in this formula. The value of x1 is here x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. The value of x1 is 4 into bracket the value of y2 is 0, 0 minus the value of y3 is minus 2, y3 is minus 2 plus the value of x2 is 4 into bracket the value of y3 is minus 2 minus the value of y1 is minus 6. Again you have to write it minus 6 plus the value of y3 is the value of x3 is 3 into bracket the value of y1 is minus 6, then the value of y2 is 0, minus 0. Then next simplify 1 by 2 into bracket 4 into bracket 0 minus into minus it becomes plus 2, then plus 4 into bracket minus 2 minus into minus it becomes plus 6 plus 3 into bracket minus 6 minus 0 is minus 6. Then next 1 by 2 into bracket 4 into bracket 0 plus 2 is 2 plus 4 into bracket 6 minus 2 is 4. Then bigger number sign is plus, therefore it becomes plus 4. Then plus 3 into bracket minus 6. Then multiply 1 by 2 into bracket 4 2s are 8 plus 4 4s are 16 plus into minus it becomes minus 3 6 are 18. Then next 1 by 2 into bracket 8 plus 16 24. 24 minus 18 is 6. Then 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Therefore area of triangle ADB is equal to 3 square units. 3 square units. Here we know that area of a triangle ADB is 3 square units. Similarly, we have to find the area of a triangle ADC. Now the area of a triangle ADC, that is Here we know that coordinates of point A is 4 comma minus 6, that is x1 y1. Then D coordinates are 4 comma 0, that is x2 y2. Then C coordinates are 5 comma 2, that is x3 y3. Now write the formula of area of a triangle, that is now here we have to put the values of x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3 in this formula, that is 1 by 2 into bracket the value of x1 is 4, 4 into bracket the value of y2 is 0 minus the value of y3 is 2, 0 minus 2 plus the value of x2 is 4 into bracket the value of y3 is 2 minus the value of y1 is minus 6. Then plus x3, the value of x3 is 5 into bracket the value of y1 is minus 6. Then the value of y2 is 0, then minus 0. Then next 1 by 2 into bracket 4 into bracket 0 minus 2 is minus 2 plus 4 into bracket 2 minus into minus it becomes plus 6. Then plus 5 into bracket minus 6 minus 6 minus 0 is minus 6. Then 1 by 2 into bracket plus into minus minus 4 to the 8. Then plus 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 4 is 32 plus plus into minus minus it becomes minus minus 5 6 30. Then next simplify 1 by 2 into bracket minus 30 minus 8 is minus 38, minus 38 plus 32 is minus 6. Then next 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Then the area of a triangle is ADC is minus 3 square units. But here minus 3 square units area is always it is a positive, therefore minus 3 is written as a plus 3. Therefore the area of triangle ADC is a plus 3 square units. Therefore here area of a triangle ADB is equal to area of a triangle ADC. Here in this question they told that the median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. Now here the two triangles of equal areas, that means in this triangle here the median of a triangle, that means AD is divides into two triangles of equal areas. That means area of a triangle ADB is equal to area of a triangle ADC. This one you have already studied in 9th class. Here also area of a triangle ADB is equal to area of a triangle ADC. Therefore here they told verify the result of a triangle ABC. That means here both areas are equal. In this question they are given that to conduct sports day activities in your rectangular shaped school ground ABCD. Now here there is a ground in the shape of a rectangle ABCD. Then lines have been drawn with the chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. Here they drawn a lines of 1 meter each, means these are the lines on the x-axis. Then 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other along AD as shown in the figure. Here the AD is a y-axis, then AB is a x-axis. Then next the flower pots have been placed on the y-axis. Then Niharika runs 1/4 of the distance AD on the second line. Niharika is standing on the second line. Second line means it is a x-axis. Then second line, and forced a green flag. She forced a green flag. Then here we have to, here we don't know the x value. They told Niharika runs 1/4 of the distance of AD. Then the distance of AD is 100, but here we don't know the exact length of the y value. Then Preetu runs 1/5 of the distance AD along 8th line and post a red flag. Here Preetu is posting a red flag and she is standing on the 8th line. Now here, what is the distance between the both the flags? Here we have to find the distance between the green flag to red flag. Then first we have to find the distance between the both flags. Second, next one they told, if Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining the two flags, where should she post her flag? Afterwards, we have to calculate the midpoint of these two flags. Now here, first we have to find the distance of the green flag. The distance of the green flag is posted by the Niharika. Niharika is standing on the second line. That is the distance of the green flag posted by Niharika. Means here Niharika runs 1/4 of the distance AD. Here we don't know the exact length of AD, but here we know that length of AD is 100 meter. But here the Niharika runs 1/4 of the distance of AD. 1/4 means here we don't know the exact length. First we have to find the exact length. That is Niharika runs 1/4 of the distance AD. 1/4 of the distance AD. Here 1/4. Then distance of AD is 100. Then 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. Then 2 is remaining. 4 5s are 20. Then it is 25 meter. Then next, the coordinates of the green flag. Coordinates of the green flag. Here Niharika is standing on the second line, that is a x. Second line means it is a 2. The value of x is 2. Then the value of y is 20. She runs on the y-axis up to 25 meter, that is 25. Similarly, we have to calculate the distance of the red flag posted by Niharika. That is the distance of the red flag posted by Preetu. Then here the Preetu is standing on the 8th line. Standing on the 8th line. Then next, Preetu runs 1/5 of the distance AD. Here Preetu runs 1/5 of AD. Then next, here length of AD is 100 meter. That is 1/5 into 100. Then 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 0 is remaining, right as it is. Therefore, then the distance of the red flag is 20 meter. But here we have to find the coordinates of the red flag. That is coordinates of the red flag. Then here Preetu is standing on 8th line. That is x value is 8. Then the distance of the red flag, that is 20 meter. 8, 20. These are the coordinates of the red flag. Then we have to find the distance between the green flag and red flag by using the distance formula. That is, here the coordinates of the green flag is 2, 25. Coordinates of the red flag is 8, 20. Then find the distance between these two flags by using distance formula. That is, d is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here we know that square root of the value of x2 is 8. 8 minus the value of x1 is 2. 8 minus 2 whole square plus the value of y2 is 20 minus the value of y1 is 25 whole square. Then next, d is equal to square root of 8 minus 2 is 6 whole square plus 25 minus 20 is 5. Bigger number sign is a minus, therefore it is a minus 5 whole square. Then d is equal to square root of 6 square is 36 plus minus 5 whole square. Minus 5 whole square means minus 5 is multiplied by 2 times, then it becomes plus 25. Minus into minus plus 5 5 is 25. Then d is equal to square root of 36 plus 25 is 61. Then d, distance between the green flag to red flag is square root 61 meter. Then next question, if Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment. For example, here in this line segment, now A is a green flag, A is a green flag, then B is a red flag, B is a red flag. Then next, Rashmi is a if Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway, means midpoint of AB is C. If Rashmi is standing here, then find the coordinates of this blue flag. That is by using distance formula. Then by using midpoint formula, that is x comma y is equal to x1 plus x2 dividing by 2 comma y1 plus y2 dividing by 2. Then next, the value of x1 is, that is, coordinates of the green flags is 2 comma 25. Then coordinates of the red flag, that is 8 comma 20. Then next, the value of x1 is 2 plus the value of x2 is 8 dividing by 2 comma the value of y1 is 25 plus the value of y2 is 20 dividing by 2. Then next, 2 plus 8 is 10 dividing by 2 comma 25 plus 20 is 45 dividing by 2. Then next, 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. Then 5 comma 45 dividing by 2. Here she has to post her flag of the coordinates 5 comma 45 by 2. Okay, thank you for watching this video.